Stranded on this island.
Oh yeah, so it is completely done. I am so happy with this build. I took some video of the basically the assembly of the cage, but I did not do a whole build video with, everything else, adding the steering servo and things like that. But it is finally about 95% done. The only thing missing right now is limit straps for front and rear. I'm still waiting for the ultra slim 5-inch light bar to come in stock. But other than that, this thing is ready to go. I am super stoked. Just a couple other little parts there that may or may not go on. The diff caps, the diff covers won't fit unless I grind some metal. And I don't think I want to do that on these beautiful trio axles. I don't think I will. But yeah, I am super pumped, super stoked. So I'm gonna put a battery in it, and we're gonna go and get some tires dirty and take this thing out for its first run. I am pumped. Cheers. See you outside.
Oh yeah, guys. How are ya? Doesn't she look pretty? Yeah, this is nuts. I can't believe I'm driving this thing. I do not want to roll it. It's got so much weight down low right now with all that brass. So this is first run. I really don't want to put scratches on this body. It is so beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna make it up this, but I'm gonna try. I don't think it's... Of course. There we go. First roll, first scratches. There she goes. Tumble, tumble. All right. Well, let's try to go an easier route here that I know I can make. Oh yeah. Hey, buddy. It's awesome. Looks so nice. Definitely putting some scratches on them axles. Oh, that first tumble was so hard to watch. There'll probably be more though. This is quite steep here, so I want to take it nice and slow. And another one. Okay, stop doing that, Pat. All right, I gotta get used to the weight on this thing. I gotta get used to my camera. Jeez, everything's going wrong right now. All right, let's try a different little route here. This is quite steep, actually. No. Will it settle? All right. Let's try. Archie. It's just a plane, bud. He does not like jets. Go get it, buddy. Yeah, well, he's gonna go get it. That reef servo is really nice.